Good afternoon, students. In previous class, we already discussed about estimate, purpose of estimate, then procedure of estimates. Procedure of estimate normally involve three following operation. First of all, we discuss about prepare detailed estimate, then calculation the rate of each unit of work. Today we discuss how to prepare abstract of estimate. The abstract of estimate, the abstract of estimate consists of length, breadth, height of the following plan. In the abstract, we define the quantity of the various item of work. The various item of work, normally the different types of work consist of the quantity and different value. In abstract estimates, the cost of each item of work is calculated in tabular form. The table consists of particulars, serial number, item number, length, breadth, height, quantity and remarks. Okay. First of all, before going for any abstract of estimates, first of all we know about the plan, the report, general specification, the total layout of the plan and index plan, etc. So, the estimation of the abstract estimation form, the rate of a different item of work are taken as per schedule of rate or current workable rate or analysis rate for finished item of work. A percentage, usually 3% of the estimated cost is added to allow for contingency for miscellaneous item which do not come under any classified head of item of work, and percentage of about 2% is provided for work charge establishment. The general total 1000 obtained given the estimated cost of work. Normally, the detailed estimate is usually prepared work-wise under each sub-work as main building, servant, quarter, garage, boundary work, etc. The detailed estimate is accompanied with report, general specification, detailed specification, drawing, circulation of design, analysis of rate. So, these are the procedure of estimation. Okay. After detailed estimation is completed, then we go through the calculation rate of each unit of work. Then we go through preparation of abstracts of estimation. After that, we discuss about estimation of type of estimation. So, in this type of estimation, normally 8 types. First one is preliminary cost estimate, plinth area cost estimate, then cube rate cost estimate, then approximate quantity method cost estimate, then detailed cost estimate, then revised cost estimate, then supplementary cost estimate, then annual repair cost estimate. So, first of all, we discuss preliminary cost estimate. Okay. In preliminary cost estimate is also called as abstract cost estimate or approximate cost estimate or budget estimate. This estimate is generally prepared in initial stage to know the approximate cost of the project. By this estimate, the competent sanction authority can decide the financial position and policy for the administrative sanction. It is also called as the rough or preliminary way of estimate. In this estimate, we consider the approximate value of the particular project. Okay. By considering the approximate value, we go through the administrative sanction. Okay. Next, we discuss plinth area cost estimate. Before we going to plinth area cost estimate, first we know what do you mean by plinth area. Plinth area is the total cover area by a building from ground level. So, plinth area cost estimate is prepared on the basis of plinth area of building, which is the area covered by external dimension of building at the floor level, and plinth area rate of building, which is the cost of similar building with specification in that locality. Next, plinth area estimate is obtained by multiplying plinth area of building with plinth area rate. For example, if we require plinth area estimate of 100 square meter in a particular locality and plinth area rate of a building is same locality is 2000 per square meter, then plinth area estimate is the area of the total area of plinth into the price of locality. Then we define the quantity of plinth area. Okay. Then we discuss about cube rate cost estimate. What do you mean by cube rate cost estimate? Cube, it means it's a volumetry concern. The cube rate cost estimate of a building is obtained by multiplying plinth area with the height of building. Height of building should be considered from floor level to the top of the roof level. It is more suitable for multi-story building. Normally, in plinth area calculation, normally we taken in multi-story building purpose. Okay. This method of estimation is accurate than plinth area method. The rate per cubic meter is taken into consideration based on the cost of similar type of building situated in that location. Foundation, plinth and parapet above the roof level are not considered in this type of estimate. Okay. Now, cubical content instruments contain the volume. In this case, 3 unit is considered. Normally, length into breadth into height we consider. So, first of all, before we go through cube rate estimate, to follow the plan properly, first we study the plan and know about what is the length of the room, breadth of the room and what is the height of the room. The particular item of work we go through, then we have to know about the particular item details. Okay. Next we discuss approximate quantity method cost estimate. In approximate quantity method cost estimate, the total wall length of the structure is measured and this length is multiplied by the rate per unit running meter, which give the cost of building. The rate per unit meter is calculated separately for the foundation and superstructure. In case of foundation, rate per unit running meter is decided by considering quantities such as excavation cost, brickwork cost, plinth area cost, while in case of superstructure quantity like brickwork for wall, woodwork, floor finishing, plastering, etc. are considered for deciding rate per running meter. Because in case of plastering, painting, the thickness already mentioned. In case of running meter, we consider the DPC also. Okay. In this case of estimation, we consider the approximate amount of a particular project. Approximate cost estimate is based on the approximate amount. Okay. Then we go through detailed cost estimate. The detailed cost estimate is prepared when competent administrative authority approve the preliminary estimate. This is very accurate type estimate. Quantities of item of work are measured and the cost of each item of work is calculated separately. The rate of different item are provided according to the current workable rate and total estimate cost is calculated to 3 to 5% of estimated cost is added to this for contingency or miscellaneous expenditure. Okay. What do you mean by contingency and miscellaneous expenditure? What do you mean? Contingency budget. The contingency budget is what? The term contingency indicates the incidental expenses of miscellaneous character which cannot be classified under any distinct items of it, person to the work as a whole. Okay.